Hey guys, welcome back to Tech24. Today we are taking a look at the Samsung EVO Select Micro South Dakota memory card with a whopping 512GB of storage capacity. This little beast is perfect for expanding the storage on your Android smartphone, tablet, or Nintendo Switch, allowing you to store tons of media, games, and apps at lightning-fast speed. With super-fast U3, Class 10 rated transfer speeds of up to 130 MB per second and a UHD-I interface, this Micro South Dakota card is perfect for recording high-quality footage on your DJI drone and transferring it between devices. And the best part? You're fully protected with water, temperature, X-ray, magnet, drop, and wear-out protection, backed by a 10-year limited warranty. This means you can take on life's adventures without worrying about damaging your important data. So, if you're in the market for some serious storage, make sure to check out the Samsung EVO Select Micro South Dakota memory card using the link in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your storage game. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Tech24 for more tech reviews and updates.